I want to cover three things. One is what we have changed regarding the enterprise sign-in and provisioning. Two is the new restrictions that you can add for updating the app and domains. And three is the update that we have shipped regarding the plugins and the marketplace, the GitHub provisioning that you can now connect your organization with. So let's start with the basics. When you go into the openwork app now, you can enforce a sign-in with a given organization user. That sign-in then goes into the cloud with a fully provisioned instance that is loaded with the skills. And what this basically means is that I can go and have a conversation instantly, right? So you don't need to do all this setup. You set it up once and directly is available to all the users in the organization. Now, the way this is possible is by setting up this once in the organization. So what's important here is when you come up and create an organization, you can, again, set up some of the features. So you would go here, you would set up the LLM providers. I know that Amazon Bedrock is something that enterprise care about. You would set up your skills and you would set up some settings, like, for example, where you want to restrict non-cloud models so that the users cannot use it, or restrict it to one single workspace, or the versions that the users can update to. And again, this is done in a way to guarantee the provisioning across our organizations simultaneously so that one administrator doesn't have to manually update those machines. As for the marketplaces, this is something we're really excited about, but basically we noticed that most companies are creating their skills, MCPs, connections, agents in some kind of like Git-based system. So you now can connect with GitHub. We'll also integrate Gitbucket soon. And we're going to have a marketplace of plugins. Right now, it's for cloud-compatible plugins, but when OpenAI, OpenCode ship their plugins, you can imagine we'll support those too. And basically, a plugin is just a configuration of skills, hooks, MCPs, and agents, the things that you want people in your company to run reliably, right? Again, this is with the mindset of what happens with non-technical users that want to use AI. They have high domain expertise in a given area, but they don't know how Git-based provisioning works. So they're able to make contributions to this, but it's still centrally managed by the org. And this is something that we've gotten a lot of requests from enterprise. Oh, and of course, anything that you change here on the cloud is automatically passed into the local machine, right? So that any changes that you make here reflect there and for all users. Oh, and one last thing. We've also added a roadmap. So you have the next things that we're providing in this milestone. You have the changelog of everything that we're updating. But actually, we're soon going to share a roadmap, like a longer roadmap with everyone. And I don't want to overwhelm you, but you can see there's a lot of things that we have in store that we're shipping for enterprises. So if there is something that you would like to see as a feature for your organization that is not covered here, or that it would make it easier for you to do a POC or a rollout with, let's say, 100 users, we would love to know. Thank you so much, and please let us know your thoughts.